Hi, welcome back or welcome to the channel. What you're currently seeing is footage of the Elgato Control Center on the iPad. But this video is to serve as a mic test for the iPad Pro mic. Now, this is the M1 iPad Pro. I am not going to be doing any sort of post-production shenanigans when it comes to audio. So what you'll hear is what I recorded fully. Now, while we're here, I may as well talk about the Control Center a bit because it did actually get an update. It made it so you can link your other Elgato accessories, such as other lights and stuff, via Wi-Fi. You can even move them and make them in sync, so they're sort of in sync of each other, which I think is quite good. You can rename them. I only have one Elgato key light because, to be honest, they're a little expensive from time to time, but they do provide very good quality. So, you kind of get what you pay for. You kind of get what you pay for. But yeah, I'm going to end it here. Hopefully, this serves as a good test for the mic quality on the iPad Pro M1. Now, let me know in the comment section below. Do you think this is good mic quality? Do you think it's okay, but everyone's better off plugging it into something or using another mic for an audio device or whatnot? Just let me know, comment section below. Also, let me know if you have any Elgato projects, since we're talking about it. And yeah, with that said, I will catch you guys in the future. Later.